Assalamu alaikum. I hope all my brother and sister are well. So I will come back with another online income site video. Uh, I also make the video for your uh, daily earning. So uh, so you can stay with me. So I will come. I will be gone to my main topic after my introduce my channel. So you can stay here. My channel name is Crypto and Travel News. I also made a video about crypto now, but in future I will add this my channel travel related any video. So now I also so you can every earning related site information, please subscribe my channel, and also beside the bell button. Okay, if you press the bell button, then you will receive all notification firstly. So now I am go to main topic. Also come with a new cryptocurrency site. It's new, but it's 9 days age. So here is a new mining site. About this EMAZI, this mining site name. So how many deposit in this site? 1.5 million, and also 3.333k withdrawals already withdraw. So you can share e-taste and subscribe. You will purchase, then you will then you can mine it, but you can free share to 256 mining in this year. Here is a referral system. If you invite any member, then you first level 10%, and your referral will be referral, then you will get 5%. So you will get another 0.0 gigahertz for registration every. So but here is a contract site. So now I am go to my registration, how you can join this. Also joining this link in when I video uploaded, then you can get this link, and you can, if you joining this site, then click the link. Okay, and if you join this, get you free 5 USD welcome bonus. Okay, so I also get this I also joining this site. How can you join this? Start mining or also registration. So it's very useful to click registration button. Okay, so I also register my name. I also two times read password. Okay, then you press the I am not a robot and press the button sign up. So you can save your password and user ID in your browser. So if you joining, then you can 145 gigahertz power. So if you purchase, then you can scribe and ethos mining. So here is a Bitcoin Cash, Dash, and Tron. Now now what you, as you wish, you can mining. You can double mining, triple mining, but not execute 100%. Okay, so also full mining for Tron. So here is a Tron mining here. So about this information, here is not other information. You can purchase this site. Here is the amount. If you choose any method, you can deposit this site. So here is a wallet. You can deposit and withdraw. When you can withdraw this site, how like as Tron, you can press the button, and which amount will be like 10. Okay, yes, minimum here is a minimum payout 150 TRX. If you when you 150 TRX in your balance, then you can withdraw this from this site. Here is a referral ID. Here is a referral. If any can your joining this your referral, you can get 10% off and 5%. Previously I say you. Okay, setting other, you can if you change your password, you can this system. Okay, I also made this when I get my when it is the achieve this main theme, then I also I made a video if this site may make a payment or not payment. Okay, so please stay with me, and also if you joining, then please join my link. Okay, so other information, if you joining my Telegram, I also link in every video, so you can join in my Telegram. You can if you can core mining hashcard exchange my channel, so you can join in, but my Telegram channel is small number, so if you are joining, is day by day increase, so no more today. So I have pray for me, and I hope you are well, everything careful. So joining every time and earning every day. So best of luck. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.